everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to film another Influencer Voxbox unboxing video for you guys. This is the third box that I've received from Influencer. All of the products that are sent are free for review and for your honest opinion. So I wanted to go through everything that I got in this month's box. Alright, so this is what the outside of the box looks like this month. I love it. All of the different detailing on the side. And I am just going to open it up. So I will also leave all of the other information down below for Influencer as well as my referral code, and really just take your surveys and review a bunch of products and you will get free stuff sent in the mail. I have found out as soon as you give your address at any time, you will be receiving a box within a week or so. So let me figure out how to open this. So it looks like I have 4 things inside for this month. Okay, Lily, mommy is trying to film a video, bud. He's totally looking at the viewfinder. Liam. Oh my gosh, you are nuts. Liam, you want to be in mommy's video? You can't get up there. Oh my gosh. Okay, so this card has all of the information on the back. It gives you details about the product, how much it retails for, and more information. It also gives you social media links so that you can find more products. So today, the first product that came in the box is the EOS Evolution of Smooth Shave Cream for Sensitive Skin. So this is a full size. All of the products that are full size usually come wrapped in plastic, unopened. And this says it is a unique, skin-friendly, and super smooth shave cream. It moisturizes and soothes. Aloe and wild oat, lavender butter, and no added fragrance. So I have yet to try this, but I have tried another shaving cream from EOS, and I love their lip balms. So this product retails for $3.99, and it is formulated for sensitive skin. So perfect for me if you have normal to dry skin or sensitive skin. This is going to be your best bet, and it will not cause any redness. So I'm going to open this and see what it smells like. It says that it has a lavender butter and aloe and wild oat scent. It has 7 fluid ounces in it. And right off the bat, it feels more of like a moisturizer and a lotion, so I know that it's going to leave my legs feeling super soft. So for all of the products that I've mentioned in this video, I will give you my final thoughts down below in the description. The next thing I wanted to talk about is the NYX Worth the Hype Mascara. This is what it looks like. I've heard so much about this mascara. This is a volumizing and lengthening mascara. This retails for $8, and it says this buildable formula actually does what it promises. Get up to 8 times the volume with darker, fuller lashes. So really, really great. I love a good mascara that not only lengthens but volumizes, and this is going to be perfect. This is of course in the shade black, and I will leave my final thoughts below. The next thing I'm going to talk about is the Core's Pomegranate AHAs and Enzymes Resurfacing Mask, and this retails for $34. This is the small version of it, and it says a natural resurfacing face mask powered by glycolic acid and pomegranate grains and extracts to purify the skin and minimize the appearance of pores. So this is suitable for oily to combination skin, a shelf life of 6 months, and this is how much I get. So a couple of uses in here, not bad. And then there's more instructions on the back. I've never heard of the brand Core's, K-O-R-R-E-S, but if you guys have, let me know down below what you think of the brand, and I will definitely give this a go. And then the last thing that I got is a shampoo and conditioner from Hair Food, which looks like this. At first I thought this was a more expensive brand, but this is actually from Clairol, which is a hair brand. So this is the moisture shampoo and conditioner infused with honey apricot fragrance, and this retails for $9.99. And it says Hair Food's lines of shampoo and conditioners is inspired by nutritionists and crafted by hair experts to nourish your hair without parabens or mineral oils. So I really appreciate that most companies now are not adding sulfates or parabens, because those are extremely bad for your hair and just the life of your hair. and products without parabens are really moisturizing and long lasting, and they actually do what they're supposed to do for your hair. So I'm always down for a new shampoo and conditioner, and it seems like there's going to be at least 4 or 5 uses out of both of these. So that is everything that I got in this month's Voxbox. I will say that they are not monthly boxes, but I have received a box every month for the past 3 months. I don't think I filmed the last box I got. It was just a couple of products from Maybelline, maybe a foundation and a primer, but I really do enjoy these. You do have to put in a little bit of work and effort to, you know, receive the boxes and keep receiving those boxes, but it's very worth it. And I am super pleased with everything in the box. I can't wait to give everything a go. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick and short video, and I will talk to you in my next one.